In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter specific GA4 events in Looker Studio. This process will help you customize your data visualization and ensure that you're focusing on the events that matter most to you. Whether you're trying to create a scorecard, a chart, or a table, filtering specific events can greatly enhance the insights you derive from your data. To get started, open your browser and search for Looker Studio. It's the platform where all this magic happens. Once you have Looker Studio in front of you, go ahead and log in. If you're not familiar with Looker Studio, logging in could involve entering your credentials or connecting through a Google account, if that's how your access is set up. Now that you're logged in, you'll want to select the specific visualization that you wish to filter. This could be a scorecard, a chart, or indeed a table. Whatever your selection, the goal here is to ensure you have the focus precisely on the data elements that are most critical for your analysis. With your visualization selected, look over to the right-hand side of your screen, where you'll find the Properties panel. Click on the Setup tab within this panel. It's here that you'll initiate adjustments to how your data is filtered. Towards the bottom of the Properties panel, you'll see an option to add a filter. Click on this option to proceed. You're now on the verge of tailoring your data view to specific events, which is an exciting step. Next, you'll see the choice to create a new filter. Click that button and give your filter a descriptive name like View Item Event, or another relevant term that will help you remember its purpose. Taking the time to name the filter sensibly will save you searching time later on. Underneath the Filter Conditions section, you'll decide whether to include or exclude certain data, though typically, for specific events, you'll go with Include. This will ensure that only the data matching your criteria features in your visualization. Moving on, you need to select Event Name from the Dimension drop-down menu. The interest here is in isolating or focusing on particular events tracked by GA4. Decide on a condition that will best match what you're looking for. You might choose equals for an exact match, or you might prefer contains for a broader selection, or even regex match if you're dealing with complex conditions. In the Comparison Value field, enter the precise GA4 event name you want to focus on. Keep in mind that event names in GA4 are case-sensitive, so precision is key. Double-check against your GA4 records to make sure everything matches perfectly. Once you're satisfied with your setup, click Save. And just like that, you've filtered specific GA4 events within Looker Studio, helping you to better analyze and visualize your data focused on what truly matters for your purpose.